baby monitor, and I was super excited. We already have a monitor for Tayden, but I was like, why not try the different monitor? The one we currently have is this one, and I like this one too, but it is not color, and the monitor is nowhere as big as this one seems to be. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys. But I do want to let you know some of the main features. It does have a large colorful display. It does also have two-way audio intercom, and it has a feeding reminder, and you can use up to 4 cameras with this. So this is pretty cool, you guys. I do want to let you know some of the main features. It does have a large colorful display. It does also have two-way audio intercom, and it has a feeding reminder, and you can use up to 4 cameras with this. So this is pretty cool, you guys. So as you guys see here, I did get Tayden to sleep, and I'm gonna give you guys a little information more about what this baby monitor does, because I think it's really cool. So I'm clicking the menu button, and here it shows where it has camera, and on camera, you can choose up to 4 cameras. Then it has like the sound, so if you want the sound low, medium, or high, or off, but I think you would need it on. Then it has the temperature mode, just for you to be able to know what the temperature is while baby's in the room sleeping, just to make sure the baby is comfortable. Next, we actually have the language setting, which I have it on English, of course, but you can set it to whatever, state you need, or not state, I'm sorry, country you need. Then we have the settings, where you can adjust the date, the time, if you want to do a factory reset or anything like that, which I haven't did that yet. Next, we have the feeding. If you need to remind yourself of when the baby should feed again. I don't have to do that, so I don't have that on, but if you need it, great. And then it has the sleep timer, just to, if you want the baby to set it to sleep for a certain amount of minutes or so. It's automatically on 30, so I didn't set that. And then lastly, it has different lullabies, so you could play certain ones, or you can do the last one, which will play all of them to help baby stay asleep and everything. But all in all, this is amazing. So here you see this alert. It's letting me know that either the baby was making noise or somebody was in there making noise. So I think that's pretty cool. And it was Talik that was in there making noise. But you just have to hit OK to cut it off. But it makes a picture and a noise. So I think that is really cool to have. And here's the best part of it all, you guys. I decided to come upstairs and turn the light on. So here it is in color. And it has a full 360 turn, so you could see any part of whatever room you're in where the camera is. So I'm just showing you guys, and I think this is awesome because you can see everything in the room. It goes up, down, and from side to side, and I think that is super neat. And yeah, I see he's still sleeping peacefully. So if you guys are interested in checking out this baby monitor, check the link down below in the description box and get you one. And don't mind me, I'm just playing with the volume settings and stuff like that. But so far so good. Honestly, I think this is going to be my new replacement for my old baby monitor. I might use that for something else in the house. But yeah, you guys, check out Dr. Meter.